Hello friends, merhaba arkadaşlar. In this lesson we are going to learn future in the past. Gelecek zamanın hikayesi. So the future in the past is used to refer to something that was the future at some time in the past. Something that was the future at some time in the past. As you see on the chart, future tense suffix is acak or ecek, which alternates according to two-way vowel harmony. And definite past tense suffix is dt or dt, which alternates according to two-way vowel harmony again, and we are going to see some consonant alternation. On the right, you can see personal pronouns and personal pronoun suffixes. Let's start with an example. I was going to go. Go is git in Turkish. Let's write the personal pronoun I first. Ben. Go, git. Going to go, gidecek, was going to go, gidecekti, and the personal pronoun suffix to the end all the time, ben gidecektim. I was going to go, ben gidecektim. So after verb, first we are writing future tense suffix, after that definite past tense suffix, and in the end personal pronoun suffix. That's simple. Let's make one more example. You were going to join. Join is katıl in Turkish. Let's write the personal pronoun you first. Sen, join, katıl, going to join, katılacak, were going to join, katılacaktı, and the personal pronoun suffix to the end, sen katılacaktın. You were going to join, sen katılacaktın. Let's make one more example. He was going to speak. Speak is konuş in Turkish. Let's write the personal pronoun he first. O, speak, konuş, going to speak, konuşacak, was going to speak, konuşacaktı. Is there any personal pronoun suffix for o? None. So the sentence is o konuşacaktı. He was going to speak. O konuşacaktı. Let's make some plural examples. We were going to look. Look is bak in Turkish. Let's write the personal pronoun we first. Biz. Look, bak, going to look, bakacak, were going to look, bakacaktı, and the personal pronoun suffix to the end. Biz bakacaktık. We were going to look, biz bakacaktık. Another example, you were going to cut. Cut is kes in Turkish. Let's write the personal pronoun you, plural, siz, cut, kes, going to cut, kesecek, were going to cut, kesecekti, and the personal pronoun suffix to the end, nis. Siz kesecektiniz. You were going to cut. Siz kesecektiniz. One last example. They were going to ask. Ask is sor in Turkish. Let's write the personal pronoun they first. Onlar. Ask, sor. Going to ask, soracak. Be careful. For the personal pronoun they, we are going to write the personal pronoun suffix now, soracaklar, and after that we are going to add the definite past tense suffix d. So the sentence is, onlar soracaklardı. They were going to ask. Onlar soracaklardı. All right. Now let's see the negative sentences. The negative suffix is ma or me, which alternates according to two-way vowel harmony. Let's write an example sentence. I was not going to go. Go is git in Turkish. Let's write the personal pronoun I first. Ben. Go, git. Be careful. Now I'm going to write a negative suffix. Gitme, not go. Now we are going to write not going to go, future tense suffix. All right, as you see, there are two vowels, e and e. They cannot be together, so I need a buffer letter between them. And after that, we are going to write definite past tense suffix, and to the end, personal pronoun suffix all the time. Gitmeyecektim. I was not going to go. Ben gitmeyecektim. So first verb, then negative suffix, then future tense suffix, and don't forget the buffer letter. After that, definite past tense suffix, and to the end, personal pronoun suffix. Let's make another example. You were not going to join. Join is katıl in Turkish. Let's write the personal pronoun you first. Sen. Join, katıl. Not join, katılma. Not going to join, katılmayacak. But I need a buffer letter between the vowels. Katılmayacak. And the definite past tense, were not going to join, katılmayacaktı. And the personal pronoun suffix to the end. Sen katılmayacaktın. You were not going to join. Sen katılmayacaktın. Another example, he was not going to speak. Speak is konuş in Turkish. Let's write the personal pronoun he first. O. Speak, konuş. Not speak, konuşma. Not going to speak, konuşmayacak, but I need a buffer letter. Konuşmayacak. Was not going to speak, konuşmayacaktı. Is there any personal pronoun suffix? None. So the sentence is o konuşmayacaktı. He was not going to speak. O konuşmayacaktı. Let's make some plural examples. We were not going to look. Look is bak in Turkish. Let's write the personal pronoun we first. Biz. Look, bak. Not look, bakma. Not going to look, bakmayacak, buffer letter. Bakmayacak. And we're not going to look, bakmayacaktı. And the personal pronoun suffix to the end, biz bakmayacaktık. We were not going to look. Biz bakmayacaktık. Another example, you were not going to cut. Cut is kes in Turkish. Let's write the personal pronoun you plural, siz. Cut, kes. Not cut, kesme. Not going to cut, kesmeyecek. Buffer letter ye, kesmeyecek. And the definite past tense, were not going to cut, kesmeyecekti. And the personal pronoun suffix to the end, siz kesmeyecektiniz. You were not going to cut. Siz kesmeyecektiniz. Last example, they were not going to ask. Ask is sor in Turkish. Let's write the personal pronoun they first. Onlar, ask, sor. Not ask, sorma. Not going to ask, acak with the buffer letter, sormayacak. Be careful for the personal pronoun they. Now we are going to write the personal pronoun suffix, and after that we are going to write the definite past tense suffix. And the sentence is onlar sormayacaklardı. They were not going to ask. Onlar sormayacaklardı. All right, now let's make some mixed examples with full sentences. I was not going to go to school. Go is git in Turkish. Let's write the personal pronoun I first. Ben. Where? To school. School is okul. To school, okula. Go, git. Not go, gitme. Not going to go, gitmeyecek with the buffer letter, gitmeyecek. Was not going to go, gitmeyecekti. And the personal pronoun suffix to the end. Ben okula gitmeyecektim. I was not going to go to school. Ben okula gitmeyecektim. Another example, you were going to run at the park. Run is koş in Turkish. Let's write the personal pronoun you, sen. Where? At the park. Park is the same, park. At the park, parkta. Run, koş. Going to run, koşacak. Were going to run, koşacaktı. Is there any personal pronoun suffix? Yes, koşacaktın. So the sentence is, sen parkta koşacaktın. You were going to run at the park. Sen parkta koşacaktın. Another example. We were not going to live here. Live is yaşa in Turkish. Let's write the personal pronoun we, biz. Where? Here. Burada. Here. Burada. Live, yaşa. Not live, yaşama. Not going to live, yaşamayacak with the buffer letter, yaşamayacak. And were not going to live, yaşamayacaktı. And the personal pronoun suffix to the end. Biz burada yaşamayacaktık. We were not going to live here. Biz burada yaşamayacaktık. And the last example. They were going to get married yesterday. Get married is evlen in Turkish. Let's write the personal pronoun they first. Onlar. When? Yesterday. Dün. Get married. Evlen. Going to get married. Evlenecek. Be careful. For the personal pronoun they, we are going to write the personal pronoun suffix now. And after that, we are going to add the definite past tense suffix di. Onlar dün evleneceklerdi. They were going to get married yesterday. Onlar dün evleneceklerdi. Alright friends, if you have any questions, please write them in the comment section and do not forget to subscribe. Hope to see you in our following lesson. For now, goodbye. Hoşça kalın.